Hey guys, I just want to let you guys know that I was practicing on my boyfriend right here, so that's why it looks like I have nail polish in the bottom. But yeah, so I was trying something out different here, and instead of starting in the middle, I decided to start on the cuticle area, and it was just a mess for me. I did not like it, so I do need to practice on that more. So that's why this finger will look completely different. Well, not like different, but as the way I'm doing the nail, it's gonna look different from all the others. So here's when I went back to my 3-ball method. I think I did like 4 balls. But I start off in the middle and then just keep going on from there. For this color, I am using a Cover Pink, I believe. It's a soft pink. If you guys want more like in-depth tutorial, again, just let me know. Or if you guys want me to go back to like my makeup stuff or vlogs, just let me know. For the pinky, I decided to go in with some glitter. I do kind of struggle with glitter because sometimes it's hard to pick it up and like move it around. So I was just patting it down all over to see how it would work. For the ring finger, I am going ahead with this glitter that I was mixing around. And I'm just going to do like a little line around it. After I finish with all the other fingers, I do go in ahead and encapsulate all the fingers because sometimes while you're filing it, you could take out the color that the nail already has, so it's better to just cap it to be safe. So I'm going to do this to all the other fingers except the thumb, of course, because I didn't do his thumb. And I am ignoring the pointing, the like finger you point with, because I honestly did not like how it came out. So that's why I'm like ignoring that one. For filing, I am going with this file, which is, I believe, the 80, I believe it is. And I'm just filing the sides and then, of course, the very tip of the nail. I was struggling because the tripod was, like, in the way. But, yeah. With my drill, I'm going in with this safety bit that I believe it's the 5-in-1, I believe. I'm pretty sure. And oh my god, guys, let me tell you, this shit is so freaking good. So easy. Ever since I started using this, I felt like it honestly has helped me so much. Sometimes the acrylic does go under the nail, so with this, it's so much easy to just pick up the acrylic that's in the bottom. Now I'm going ahead with this smoothing bit, and again, this one is safety, so it's really easy. This is actually going to help me out with all the lines that I created with the other file. After all that, I make sure I clean the nails very good and then just put gel, and that should be it.